Rati, and thank you for joining me in this video. And today I'm going to show you how you can use the Breed Business Fulfillment app to add high selling and high converting products to your Shopify store. So once you install the app and you click on the link of apps in Shopify store, you will see an interface, a dashboard like this. So this is a welcome video. You can click on it and watch the video, or you can just close it and click on start here to choose products. The process of adding products from the Breed Business database to your Shopify store is very easy. And all you need to do is literally just click on few buttons and products will be transferred to your Shopify store. So once you click on choose products, then it will show you all the 14,000 plus product database. Right now, the Breed Business have 23 kind of product types. For example, sneakers, backpacks, coffee table, etc. So you can see the product types here and you can decide what you want to add in your Shopify store. For example, if you're looking to add, let's say, made in USA product, then we have mugs, coffee table, Bluetooth speaker, and jewelry as made in USA products. So let's say you want to add coffee tables, because coffee table is like highly profitable product, and our current members are making like 80 to $90 per sale in profits. All right, so these are beautiful coffee table which are printed on based on different pet breeds. For example, this one is Afghan Hound. You can actually click on preview and watch it. It's a beautiful, beautiful design. So next thing you need to do is, first of all, you need to, let's say, you need to click on preview. You can check, but as you can see that these products I have already added to the store. So let me go back to the other category because I wanted to show you a product that has not been added yet. This way you can understand it much better. Okay, so you can choose the product category from here. All right, as you can see, these products are not added. So first of all, the first line here is the name of a product. Then the amount, you can see there's $35 is the supplier price. That means once you make a sale of this specific product, then this amount, that is $35 in case of umbrellas, you need to pay to suppliers so that they can process and ship your order. So once you decided which product you want to use, suppose you are making a store for only dog products. In that case, this product looks beautiful. It's an Afghan Hound breed on an umbrella and it's amazingly like 3D style. So if you like it, all you need to do is you can add it two ways. Number one, you can click on add to my store, or you can click on edit and add. In case if you want to edit title, you want to edit description, all right, or you want to change the price. See, everything here right now, the price, title, etc., has been optimized based on the best selling prices. So if you don't want, you can simply ignore it, leave it as it is. Once you are happy with everything, you can click on add. But my favorite way is this dragger. You can simply click on add, like you drag it this side and it will automatically add the product to your store. So you don't need to open the product or check the prices every time. You can simply add as many as you like. For example, we want to add Akita dog print umbrella, looks very beautiful, price 35 is supplier, and selling price of umbrella that we transfer is $49. So you're going to make like $15 per sale in profits. So if you don't want to edit and see it, you can simply click on add again and give it some time. Just make sure not to add multiple products together. You cannot click on add, because this way it will kind of hang the script, and it is possible that product will not fully transfer to your store. That means there is a possibility that only images or only descriptions are transferred to your store, but not the whole product. So make sure whatever you want to add, you need to click on add and let it wait for a few seconds to get it added to your store. So let's see. We have added this product called Akita dog print umbrella. So let's see how it's going to look on the store. For that, let me just grab the name and we'll go to the products. In the product search bar, I'm going to paste this title. So if the product is added successfully, it will be visible there. Let me just paste it and search. Well, here you can see it. The product is successfully added to the store. See, so it's gonna take like few seconds to add as many product as you want. Everything is cool, product, price, and everything. All the images are transferred, and we can also view it in store. Let's see it in the store. How does it even looks? Here we go. So it's looking amazingly beautiful. We are waiting for the image to load. Here we go. As you can see, the product is transferred to the store and it's looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is how you can add as many products as you want. You can go back to the app. I can click on the back button 2 times and we're going to go back to the app. Here we go, and add more products. So in this video, you have learned how to add products from Shopify, from the Breed Business app to your Shopify store. If you have any question, you can always click on an envelope in the screen corner. I'll just show you that. This is the envelope. You can only always click on this particular envelope, and this is going to open a pop-up box which will help you with the support question. So that's all in this video. If you have any question, then again, click on this envelope and email me and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching this video, and you can continue to the next video in the series.